Hi guys, welcome to Twitter's funny channel. In our last class we saw how to create the variables and assign to these text boxes here. Now I am going to create another variable here. This one I am not going to name here, change the name here. So click on this one, this option here. This name will be list. Okay, this list control, click on this one. I'm going to change the name as OPT options. Okay, there are different options available, so I'm going to name it as option OPT here. Also what I'm going to do is here I'm going to create the variable OPT equal post. Same thing what I does is here, same thing I'm going to do here also. Post here OPT and here close the bracket. After that what I'm going to do is here this one will be OPT. Here I'm going to whatever user select here, it will be passing to this variable OPT. Okay, here let me save this one, and here user enter 56 and another 56. Here what I did is here so far this one will be number 1. This called text box called as number 1. Whatever user enter here, it is passing to the variable which is number 1. Okay, it's assigned to the variable number 1. Here whatever user enter in this text box which called as number 2, it is passing to the variable number 2. Okay, after that I create another variable OPT. This name will be OPT. Whatever user select here, this one will be passing to the variable OPT. Okay, that is the things I does so far. Now what I'm going to do is here I'm going to create the one conditions. Okay, condition, why I'm going to create the condition is there are various symbols available. If the user select this one, what happen? This one select what happen? So there are various options available, so that I have to use the condition part. Okay, when you going to create the condition part, you have to start with if this one will be various options available, so that what is the variable you passed here? OPT equal here double equal here within double quotation here. You have to write single quotation. Within the quotation you have to write the plus mark. If the user select plus mark here, if the user select the plus mark, what happen? It is passing the variable here. If the user select the plus mark here, it will be passing to this variable. After that what does is this will plus marks will be if the user select plus mark here, I will be this one. We no need this one here. Total, I'm going to create a variable total equal plus mark will be the both values will be added. So number 1 plus number 2, both variables should add, and I'm going to echo tot. Okay, this one will be added and passing to the variable tot. If you call this one, it will be printed. Okay, else if the user select plus minus, so what happens? So you have to write one or more condition, more than one condition, so you have to write else. Okay, so here OPT mean option double equal to, if the user select minus, what happen? Here the user select minus, what happen? Here open curly brace, close curly brace. You must make sure if you open the bracket, you must close at the end of the statement here. Okay, that's one you must consider. Okay, otherwise it will be getting error. Okay, after that tot equal number 1 minus number 2. That's it. Echo tot. That's it. After that I'm going to write another else if opt equal this one subtraction here. What I'm going to do is here, sorry, multiplication, sorry, not subtraction, multiplication. Here what I'm going to do is here dot equal number 1 multiplication number 2. Okay, the last one will be here. You can write it, if it is not here, it is going to the division part. Okay, so just like this, write like this, dot equal number 1 divide number 2. That's it. Here you have to write the echo statement, then echo dot. That's it. Here also you have to write the dot, echo dot. That's it. That's the only thing you have to do. Okay, if you have any confusion, you can write like this. It also possible. Okay, if you have any confusion, you can write like this. Okay, it also possible. Okay, it's no problems. Okay, I did this one. Now what shall we run the program and see if it is running successfully or not. Now let's enter the values. 8. Click submit button. Here successfully working. Here if the user 5 and 3, click submit. What happened here? Subtraction minus. Okay, let's one more time we will run. 5 2, select as minus, submit. Okay, working successfully. And again 6 8 multiplication. Okay, successfully working. Now the value will be successfully working here. Okay, now let's do some modification over here. These steps, here what I'm going to do is before what I'm going to do is I'm going to design this form. Here what I'm going to do is here, go to the coding part, select this table. This one will be the table. Go to the coding part. This is the table I wrote here. Here write cell padding. Here you have to write 20, and cell spacing you have to write 20, and table alignment will be here left alignment. So you have to set it as alignment center. That's the things you have to do. Here border I gave only 1. Here you can see the design like this. Here the simple design, great design, simple design. Here you can give as 10, and here save, and here if you just select the arrow key here, keep the arrow key here, press enter key on your keyboard. Here the nice user interface will be here, coming over here. Now you can enter the value over here like this. Now click submit button. You can see the answer here. Now what I'm going to do is here, now click here. I'm going to change the color of this row. So color, this one will be the heading, this one will be the first row, this one second row, this one third row, this one fourth row, this first row, second row, third row, fourth row. Okay, here this tr mean first row, this second row, third row, fourth row. Okay, now what I'm going to do is here, I'm going to change the color as bg color. You can give any color here. I'm going to give as blue, and this one I prefect. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to write the change the font size, font color. So style, font, you have to write the CSS like this, font, sorry, font, not font, style. Here you have to write the color, sorry, style. You have to find the property which is a color. Here, over there, you have to select as white. It's good, perfect. Otherwise, if you know the name of the color, you can assign here. Okay, here you can see. Okay, perfect. Now you have to bold this one and italic you want. You can if you want to. Now save the project and run it. See the changes here. It will be nicely change the color, look like this. Now what I'm going to do is here the results will be at the left. This is not a efficient way. When the answer is display, it is display at the center. Okay, as I saw the demo. Okay, now what I'm going to do is the simple thing I have to do here. This one will be the echo. The user select this one plus this will be the answer. So here what I'm going to do is here echo. After the echo, you have to write the H1 will be heading. It's called as heading. H1 is the biggest one, H6 is a smallest one. You already studied this stuff when you are going to studying web developing part. You already know, I think. Here if you select 2, if H1 will be 2 bigger, so I select as H2. Okay, that is well, perfect. Okay, so here if you write if you call the H2 heading within the PHP code, you have to write this double quotation mark. Within the two double quotation mark you have to write. Okay, here this one will be a concatenated operator. You have to combine this bold. Your answer will be coming as a heading, so that you have to write one dot mean concatenate operator. After end also you have to close the heading, so you have to write H2, this one with the closing tag. Okay, this one with the concatenate operator. Okay, your result is you can write like this. Your result is, this one will be combining both. This one will be as a string, this one will be the variable. Here you can add. So what I'm going to add is dot. Here also dot, because you have to end this one, so it's wrong. Okay, that's the thing you have to do. Okay, so I'm copy this one, paste it here as well, here as well, this one as well. Same thing you have to do this one. Okay, now what I'm going to do is here save the project and okay, another important stuff. Okay, let me test it whether it's working or not. Okay, it's working successfully here. Now you can see the answer. Now again I'm going to type and click here. Your answer will be display grade. Now it's not coming at the center, so what I'm going to do is here also I'm going to put one equal sign, here also equal. That will be the must when you get in the total. Okay, well, now what I'm going to do is here H2 tag, you have to type center, sorry, align equal single quotation mark. If you write the like this single quotation mark, here you have to call as center. This output will be coming as center. So same thing, you have to copy and paste this block also as well. The same coding you have to paste on this block as well, this block as well. That's it. Now save the program and run it. Here the answer will be coming look like this. Okay, now you can again we refresh the one, you can enter the value and select the symbol you need, multiplication, submit. You can see the answer look like this. Okay, this is simple program you have to write yourself. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you like my channel, please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.